if you want to succeed as an artist, this is exactly what you should do. Start a business. Start a business, aka your art. Your art is already a business. You just have to transform it from a hobby to a business. What makes it a business, or what's going to make it a business, is that you just have to sell something. So turn your art into a business and start selling and selling and selling. Just sell, sell, sell. You're either going to sell a physical product, aka your canvases, your loose canvas, or product or art related product. That's physical product. Or you can sell a service. You know something, somebody wants you to teach them, somebody wants you to show them how to do it, and you could just go to their place or over the phone or on a video, and you just teach them or show them or help them get that thing as a service. So you can sell a service or sell a product, but you need to start a business if you want to succeed as an artist. You cannot just call yourself an artist who want to live, who want to make a living, who want to really make good money and not build a business around your art. Your art should become a business. So start a business, build a business. Now the business doesn't have to be you go into the state office and get your registration and just start paying taxes when you haven't even started selling anything. What I mean by start selling something. Before you go get your logos done, go get all these websites and all these Google-ish stuff that take money out of your pocket, start having money coming into your pocket. That's business. Start selling something that put money into your pocket. That is the business I am talking about. You spend money to buy supplies. Supplies. That's all we do. We just spend money buying supplies. Supplies. It's time for somebody to also start paying you. It's time for someone to start putting money in your pocket as an artist. Now, that's the business I am talking about. Start a business where someone put money into your pocket. So the art that you create, this beautiful thing that you have here that you create, start selling it. Put it where people can see it. Put it where people can be interested in buying it. That is the business I am talking about. You can create your logo and trademarks and all this corporate registration later on down the line. I messed up. I made those mistakes. I was so into the logos and all this registration and trademarks. I did all those things, spent money, wasted money before I started actually trying to sell something. And then learned that the hardest thing about business is actually selling. That is the hardest part about business. And that is the heart of the business. Selling or sales is the heartbeat. It is the blood flow of the business. When there's no sales, when there's no money coming in, when there's no income coming in, it's a flat line. You are dying. So start a business. Number one, the most important thing about starting a business is sell. Start to sell. Create something. You're an artist already. Your art is a product. It is a thing. Or it's a commodity. You just got to transform it, add some value to it, and start selling it. That is a business. That is the business I am talking about. So start a business if you're an artist and if you want to succeed. If you want to make a living, start a business. Number two, treat your customers, your collectors, your buyers as they are your hotel guests. Treat them like you are a hotel and they are a guest in the hotel. This is my experience with hotels. I love hotels and restaurants. I myself, I am a product of a restaurant. I spend the two things I have done my entire life the most is doing art in school and working in the restaurant. Restaurant paid for my art school. Working in the restaurant is what I did my entire life. I still have one leg in there because that's all I know. And this is what paid for my art school. It's what it has done everything for me in my life. And I love that hospitality industry or that culture because, for example, hotel. You could walk into a hotel looking as bummy, as homeless, as a crazy madman as you can. Yet the hotel manager will walk up to you and welcome you. Hello, welcome. How you doing? What can I do for you today? Where in other businesses, they're looking to call the cops on you. They're looking to throw you out. But hotels and restaurants will actually welcome you and see what they can do for you. If you actually ask for water, they know that you actually don't have money and you're not here to spend money. But guess what? They will go and get you the water. It is just the culture of the hospitality industry to just serve and just be nice and just treat anybody who walk into that building like a king or a queen. So treat your customers. Treat anybody. Like I said, you're an artist, start a business. So my definition of you starting a business is start selling something. Start selling something. I'll give you an example. Say I'm selling this piece. I have it set up right here. If someone sees it and walk towards me with their eyes gazing at this, showing interest, I should be able to welcome them in, shake their hand, give them that smile, and treat them like I am a hotel and they walk into my premises. I should be able to treat them like a king or treat her like a queen. Make them as comfortable as possible. Do not look at them past who they are as a person. No judgment. Just be nice and treat them like a king or queen that person really is. Treat them like a hotel guest. And then let the conversation take its own course and lead to whatever he's going to go. And that's how you get that person to spend money with you. And that's how you get that person to come back. That's how you get that person to tell somebody, to tell somebody, to tell somebody. So treat your customer like a king. Start a business. Start selling something of your art. And when somebody shows up to look at it, whether to buy or just to look at it, treat them like a king. Treat them like a queen. Make them feel good. Make them feel better than they were before they encountered with you. That is number 2. Number 3, build a brand with your business. Build a brand around your business. Turn your art into a business and build a brand around your art. Build a brand with your business. What do I mean by that? So you create a vibe, a style, a flavor, a product, a taste, and repeat that thing over and over and over and over, not stop. Persuasively, nicely, friendly, repeat it over, and over. The example of that is Coca-Cola Classic. The Coca-Cola Classic. The logo, the beverage itself, the taste, and just feed it over and over and over and over. That is the brand. That is the brand that I am talking about. Not the logo, not the colors, not the website. I'm just talking about the action of it. If you create your art, someone will look at it, they will see a taste, they will feel a product, they will feel a vibe, they will catch some kind of flavor with what it is that you create, your art. That then, repeat it, feed it, repeat it, feed it, sell it over and over and over. That is building a brand around your art, building a brand around your business. There was a story that Coca-Cola actually switched the flavor of that Coca-Cola Classic by some CEO, I forgot his name. And people went crazy. They took it to the park, they lost their mind. They have to bring it back. And hence, that was the reason why it became Coca-Cola Classic. So if you're looking for all the other flavor, it's there. But the classic stay as classic. And that is the brand everybody's familiar with. So build a brand with your art. Build a brand around the business that you turn your art into. Turn the art, you're an artist already, turn the art you, yourself, your place, your studio, your work, turn it into a business. So I become a business. My work, everything that I'm doing becomes a business. Go from hobby to a business. And then the person that's gonna show interest, try to buy something, come around me, looking at what I'm doing, what I do, treat them like they're the last customer you're gonna ever encounter with. And then they're gonna come back, because you wanna treat them that way so they can come back, tell a friend to tell a friend, and you wanna have them and connect with them and lock them in for good. And then lastly, you want to build a brand. You wanna repeat things. So you build a product and turn it into a repeatable product. And then you repeat it over and over and over, and it sticks and sticks and sticks. And then that is the brand. Not the fake stuff, not the colorways, the logos, the trademarks, and not that. I'm talking about the realistic stuff, the human to human, the eye to eye type stuff that you have to do. I mean, build a business eye to eye, build a brand eye to eye. That's what I mean. So go do that. I hope you got some value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Especially share this with a friend that's into art, with a friend that's interested in business. Share this with them. Hopefully they like it. And also click the link below, go to the website, go show your love, and share my website with a friend, someone. Also put the notification bell on, so every time I post a video, you will be the first one to get it. Salute, one, peace.